going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Greg. Timmy's in the woods looking for some small game to cook on our next camping trip. So I just want to bring you this video today. We've been thinking about this river crossing for about 10 months now. The first time me and Timmy was there, it was in the winter, so the weather was just a little bit too cold to attempt it, or I was chicken, whichever you want to choose. But recently we got to take Katie, which is my daughter, on a camping trip. We happened to be in the area. The weather was about 80 degrees. So really couldn't pass up the opportunity to give it a shot. So hope y'all enjoy the video. We're gonna go down here and check out this river. I'll try to look up the name for you and tell you, but there's a river crossing down here. You're gonna see if it's possible to do it on a motorcycle. So that's where we're gonna head down there to now and check it out. So let's get on the bikes and get down that way. I said before we get all of our gear off and stuff, we're gonna ride down here and see if this thing is possible to cross on a motorcycle. I ain't sure it is. We can creep down through here because we ain't got all of our gear on anymore. Most of it I do, because I'm probably gonna be the one crossing it, but I can feel it in the air today. Feel the creek already getting cooler down here. Yeah, they come down here and put kayaks in. It's crazy. Huh. Here's the creek, y'all. See if they can go check it out and see if we can cross it or not, and do some exploring in there and see. I'm not 100% sure if we can even get up on the other side, but I'm gonna check it out and see. I'm looking at it, y'all. I think it gets real deep if you go right there. Stay over here to this outside. I think it's going to be all right. I'm probably going to attempt it. But you watch this Jeep come through here, we'll try to film him and we'll see how deep it is. If he goes over here to that side where that truck was, it's super deep. Over there, it ain't too bad where he went. If you go over here too far, that truck went deep stuff. It was burying a 35-inch tire. If you stay over there, it's not too bad though. I think it's doable on a motorcycle. And then I'm probably going to turn around right here in this sand, because I don't think my bike's going to make it up that. I know damn well it ain't going to make it up there. Look how chewed up that is. How chewed up that is. I don't know if you can make it up that or not. You might can pick your way through there. You might can go right here and like pick your path through here, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's just so slippery you have to
stop on this hill. You might not get traction good enough to get back out of it. You gotta keep up through here and moving.
I said you got to just pick your path right there.
Come on through it.
Come on through it right there, y'all. And try to go up through there.
Maybe that 1-inch lift and that stiffer suspension will keep you from bottoming out right there.
Yeah. We'll give it old college boy try, I think. Alright, y'all. We're gearing up and going for it. Wish me luck. It's deep. Pretty long. A few big chunk rocks in there. Hopefully it'll be alright. Let's go for it. This one's for you, Frank. I ain't even gonna attempt to go up that. That sand is deep, son. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah. That's a deep one, y'all. I did it though. Alright, we'll call it good on that. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, baby. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Well, there it is. Crossed it. So it's deep. That point over there, I don't know if I can get across there, so that's why I didn't try. But it's a deep one, y'all see it's touching the bottom of the bags when I was in the deepest point. So this one was from a video, about the second or third video, maybe fourth video me and Tim put out. We come down here and chickened out. And this was the main reason we wanted to come to Earls Ford to camp. We just kept that a secret till I got here. But that's why I want to do it. I conquered it, and it's warm enough to do it in case I fail. So now Chaluda River's been crossed, Chattooga River's been crossed. That's what river this is, the Chattooga. So